everyone, today I have brought a very unique and very important trick for learning this whole trigonometric table values in just few seconds. Now for understanding how these sine values came, we have to firstly go to its basics. Okay. Now as we know that we have only given 5 angles here, so we have to learn only values of 5 angles. Okay. Other values either we can solve them or we can see them from the table. So these 5 values are very important and we represent these 5 values by 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so for finding the values of sine A, we just divide these 4 numbers by 4. Okay, now on dividing 0 by 4, I will get the answer as 0. On dividing 1 by 4, I will get the answer as 1 by 4. On dividing 2 by 4, I will get the answer as 1 by 2. Now dividing this 3 by 4, I will get the answer as 3 by 4. Again dividing this 4 by 4, I will get the answer as 1. Now what you have to do, you have to just do the square root of these values. On square rooting 0, I will get only 0. On square rooting this value, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. On square rooting this value, I will get 1 by root 2. Now again square rooting this value, I will get root 3 by 2. At last square rooting 1, I will get 1. So we can check from the table, these are the values of these angles. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. Okay, now we got the point. What we have to do, we have only here 5 angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now what we have to do, we have to take numbers from 0 to 4 representing these angles like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to divide these number by 4. Okay, now we have to do square root of this numbers. Now we get 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 as our answer. Okay, so simply you just have to remember this procedure, then you don't need to learn these values also. Now moving to cos values. Table, you can just observe that cos A values are the just reverse value of sin A. If we move from right to left side, we will get the values of cos A, like cos 0 degree is 1. Okay, now cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Here you can see sin 60 and cos 30 is equal. We are moving from right to left side. You can easily see that. Okay, the values are repeating itself in the opposite direction. So if you know the values of sin A, you can easily find the values of cos A. Now moving to tan. We already know the formula which says that tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. So similarly here we have to do the same thing. For tan A values, if I divide sin A by cos A, I will get a 0 upon 1, that is 0. Now on dividing 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and we will left with 1 by root 3. Again on dividing these two values, I will get 1. On dividing these two values, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out and I will remain with root 3. Now on dividing 1 by 0, if we divide any quantity by 0, we get a not defined answer. So we get the answer as not defined. Okay, so if you know the values of sin A, you can know the value of cos A, and after knowing these two values, you can easily know the values of tan A. Now for cos A values, you know the formula that which says that cosec A is equal to reciprocal of sin A. Okay, so for finding the values of this cosec A, we just have to reciprocal the values of sin A. Okay, for in the first part for 0 degree, we know that sin A value is 0. On doing its reciprocal, we will get 1 upon 0. Now it is again a not defined quantity. On doing the reciprocal of 1 by 2, we will get 2. On reciprocating this value 1 by root 2, we will get root 2. On doing the reciprocal of this value, it will just get reversed, that is 2 upon root 3. On doing the reciprocal of 1, we will get just 1 as our answer. Now moving to sec A part. You can easily observe that again sec A is the opposite values, that is reverse values of cosec A. Okay, and moving from right to left side in cosec A, we can get the values of sec A. You can easily see it. 1 here, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 here, root 2 here, 2 here, and not defined here. Okay. Then moving to last part of this table, that is cot A. We know the relation which says that this cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Okay, so we have to just do the reciprocal of tan A values. For 0 degree, we know that tan A is 0. On doing its reciprocal, we will again get a not defined quantity. On doing this value's reciprocal, we will get root 3. On doing 1 reciprocal, we will get 1. On doing root 3 reciprocal, we will get 1 by root 3. On doing not defined reciprocal, I would like to show you that not defined can be written as 1 by 0. On doing its reciprocal, we will get 1 upon 1 by 0. Okay, now the 0 will come upside and it will become as 0. Okay, so the reciprocal of not defined is equal to 0. So in this way you can easily learn the entire table just by few basic steps and few basic formulas. Okay.